Casio is a brand known for its durability, innovation, and affordability, making it a favorite among watch enthusiasts and everyday users alike. From the legendary G-Shock series to the sleek and stylish Edifice line, Casio offers a timepiece for every lifestyle. In this video, we'll explore the best Casio watches, showcasing their standout features, cutting-edge technology, and why they continue to be a top choice for watch lovers worldwide. Let's get started. Number 7, Casio G-Shock MTG 2002 Audemars Rainbow Color Solar Watch. The Casio G-Shock MTG B2000 DC1A Audemars Rainbow Color Solar Watch is a striking fusion of rugged durability and vibrant luxury. Designed for those who demand toughness with a bold aesthetic, this limited edition timepiece features a multicolor ion-plated stainless steel bezel, giving it the rainbow effect reminiscent of high-end luxury watches. The carbon core guard structure ensures a lightweight yet highly durable frame, while the tough solar technology keeps it powered efficiently. With multi-band 6 atomic timekeeping, Bluetooth connectivity, and sapphire crystal glass, this watch blends high-tech functionality with eye-catching style. It boasts 200 water resistance, making it perfect for both urban adventures and extreme conditions. The layered metal and resin construction enhances its shock resistance, ensuring G-Shock's legendary toughness. Number 6, Casio G-Shock GWG 10001 Mudmaster Mains Watch. The Casio G-Shock GWG 1001 Mudmaster is built for those who tackle the toughest environments. Designed to withstand extreme conditions, this military-grade timepiece features a mud-resistant structure, keeping out dirt, dust, and debris, perfect for adventurers, military personnel, and outdoor enthusiasts. Its triple sensor technology, altimeter, barometer, and compass, provides essential survival data, while the tough solar power system ensures continuous operation without worrying about battery life. The multi-band 6 atomic timekeeping guarantees accurate time adjustment across different time zones. A sapphire crystal and stainless steel bezel add durability, while the resin band and shock-resistant construction maintain G-Shock's legendary toughness. With 200 water resistance. Number 5, Casio G-Shock Frogman DFT 1000. The Casio G-Shock Frogman DWF 1000 is a professional-grade dive watch designed for extreme underwater performance. As part of the legendary Frogman series, it boasts ISO 200-meter water resistance, making it a true master of the deep. Built with a full stainless steel case and a sapphire crystal, it offers premium durability while maintaining G-Shock's signature toughness. Equipped with tough solar technology, the DWF 1000 ensures long-lasting, maintenance-free operation. The multi-band 6 atomic timekeeping provides pinpoint accuracy, while Bluetooth connectivity allows seamless smartphone integration. With its rugged yet refined design. Number 4, Casio G-Shock Mia 1001. The Casio G-Shock GA101A to DR is a testament to Casio's dedication to durability and innovative design. This timepiece boasts a robust 55-51.2 16.9 mm resin case and bezel, ensuring resilience against shocks and impacts. Its analog digital display features large R&minute hands made from lightweight aluminum, enhancing both readability and shock resistance. Equipped with a 1/1000 second stopwatch and speed measurement capabilities, it caters to those with an active lifestyle. Additional functionalities include world time across 48 cities, 5 daily alarms, and a fully automatic calendar, making it a versatile companion for global travelers. The watch's 200-meter water resistance ensures reliability in aquatic environments, while its magnetic resistance upholds performance in varied conditions. And LED light with selectable illumination durations guarantees visibility in low-light scenarios. Number 3, Casio G-Shock GDR 1001. The Casio G-Shock GD101 BDR exemplifies the brand's commitment to resilience and functionality. Featuring a robust resin case and strap, this watch is designed to withstand harsh conditions, making it ideal for those with an active lifestyle. Its analog digital display offers clear readability, combining classic timekeeping with modern digital features. The watch is equipped with a 1/1000 second stopwatch, catering to precise time measurement needs. Additional functionalities include world time across 48 cities, 5 daily alarms, and a fully automatic calendar, enhancing its practicality for frequent travelers. With a 200-meter water resistance rating, it is suitable for various water activities. The GD101 BDR also boasts a 2-year battery life, ensuring long-term reliability. Its shock-resistant structure further solidifies its durability, embodying the ruggedness synonymous with the G-Shock series. Number 2, Casio G-Shock MTG 2000. The Casio G-Shock MTG B2000 is a premium timepiece that blends toughness with sophisticated design. Built with a dual-core guard structure, it combines a stainless steel frame with a carbon fiber reinforced resin case, ensuring durability while maintaining a lightweight feel. The bold, dodecagonal bezel and high-quality finishing give it a refined look suitable for both adventure and everyday wear. Equipped with advanced technology, the MTG B2000 features Bluetooth connectivity and multi-band 6 radio wave time calibration for precise timekeeping. Its tough solar charging system ensures long-lasting performance, while the Super Illuminator LED light enhances visibility in low-light conditions. The watch also boasts 200-meter water resistance, world time functionality, a stopwatch, countdown timer, and daily alarms. With a comfortable yet rugged layered composite band. Number 1, Casio G-Shock Rangeman TB10001JF Solar GPS Watch. The Casio G-Shock Rangeman GPRB1001JF is the ultimate adventure watch, built for extreme conditions with cutting-edge technology. It features a solar-assisted GPS navigation system, allowing users to track routes even in remote locations. With solar charging extending GPS use up to 48 hours, this watch ensures reliability in survival situations. Designed for toughness, the Rangeman is shock-resistant, mud-resistant, and operates in temperatures as low as 20 C. It boasts 200-meter water resistance, making it ideal for land and sea expeditions. The triple sensor technology provides accurate readings of altitude, barometric pressure, temperature, and direction, ensuring preparedness for any environment. A high-contrast LCD, protected by sapphire glass, enhances readability, while the ceramic case back boosts durability. Additional features include sunrise sunset data, tide and moon phase info, and world time.